What up, mga solid subscribers, no? Let's go, no? Kailangan magising. Kahit medyo puyat tayo, no? As in, kulang na kulang tulog dahil 4 hours, guys, no? 4 hours. Sobrang daming ginagawa, no? Pero kailangan lumaban. Let's go, no? Let's go. Kailangan lumaban sa buhay. Hindi, pero totoo, kailangan lumaban sa buhay, no? Kaya, syempre, hindi pwede kong maiwan talaga itong pag-vlog, guys. As in, isa to sa mga, ano ko talaga, sa mga, gusto kong gawin talaga, no? Kaya kahit nakapagod, parang gustong ko pa rin gawin yung pag-vlog, no? So, yun. Eto, guys, titingin po tayo ng mga updates po sa ating mahalima, no? Okay, no? Una na papanoorin po ay itong a very big shoutout po kay I'm Pop Rice, no? Kay I'm Pop Rice, no? So, kanya po itong video na papanoorin natin, guys, no? Pero bago masimulan ito, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring the notification bell para alam nyo pag ako nag-release ng bagong video. So, without further ado, let us all watch this. Okay, let's go.
In an unexpected update, SB19 was recently spotted at the airport with no clues or announcements about where they were heading. This, of course, made their fans speculate which country they were going to. Well, based on SB19's Justin's Instagram story, where he shared a view of a building, it was revealed that the group and their crew are in Taiwan, as the building in the photo is Taipei 101, which is obviously located in Taiwan. This was further supported when a fan shared on Twitter an unexpected interaction during the arrival of the P-Pop Kings at one of Taiwan's international airports, which suggests that the group had just landed safely in the country. As per the latest updates, there have still been no official announcements from SB19 or their management regarding their plans or the reason for their stay in Taiwan. Whether it's for a brand deal, private event, or collaboration, no clues have been provided yet from any official source. But as expected from their fans, they already have a clue about why SB19 is currently in Taiwan. A fan shared on Twitter that some fans in Taiwan already knew that the group had plans to shoot in the country. Then, the Twitter user revealed that they will be shooting for a show called Adam Boys 2, and the filming will take place on October 5th. Adam Boys 2 is the second season of a popular Taiwanese reality show where contestants compete to form boy bands. The groups compete through various performances, with both judges and audience votes determining the final members who will debut. The second season introduces new mentors from around the world, bringing global expertise to help shape the next generation of male pop idols. Now, there is no confirmed report yet on whether SB19 will be a mentor for the show, or perhaps a guest performer to serve as inspiration or a challenge for the contestants. Given the popularity of SB19's hit song Gento, this could likely be the reason they were invited, if the rumors are true. In fact, the official Instagram account of Adam Boys recently shared a dance cover of SB19's Gento on their IG story, which even received a like from the chief operating officer of 1Z Entertainment. Now, to further support the rumor of SB19 coming to Taiwan for the show Adam Boys, the IG story recently included a caption tagging SB19's official account that says, "See you soon." This was just posted the other day, which suggests that SB19 might indeed be in Taiwan for the reality show. But again, there has been no confirmation yet from SB19 or their management, so stay tuned for further updates about this.
So, yun guys, no? Kung totoo man yun, no? Pero meron pa isang update. Panoorin ko muna to, and then mamaya na akong bibigyan ng ano. Kasi mamaya, may mga mali tayong information na ibitaw, eh. No? Okay, ito.
19 pleasantly surprised their fans when they were spotted at the airport recently. It didn't take long before reports confirmed that the group had flown to Taiwan. Fans are now buzzing with excitement, eagerly waiting to see what SB19 has in store during their stay there. Now, following the last video, the only update we've received from the boys and their management are videos uploaded on Instagram, showing them in Taiwan, roaming around the city and enjoying some of the food and drinks at a local restaurant. There are still no official announcements from the group regarding the reason for their sudden visit to Taiwan, aside from the videos uploaded on their Instagram stories. Now, just as mentioned...
Tandaan nyo guys, no? Pag pumunta po si Stel dyan, mag-isa, okay? I think it's vacation. Pag sila dalawa lang sila, vacation, or tatlo, pwede vacation din, no? Pero pag sila po lima talaga pumunta, together with 1Z Entertainment, mga staffs or mga production guys, doon na kayo magtaka, no? Like, mukhang may ganap pa, mukhang may project, di ba? Hindi sila magbabakasyon guys, so talaga may project yan, kaya ganyan.
In the last video, speculation arose after a fan shared on Twitter that SB19 is in Taiwan to prepare for their appearance in one of Taiwan's reality survival shows, Adam Boys 2. This speculation was further supported by the fact that the official Atom Boys Instagram account tagged SB19 in one of their dance videos doing the Gento Dance Challenge with the caption, "See you soon." SB19's official account also reposted the dance video and replied to it with the message, "See you soon, Atom Boys 2." Atom Boys 2 is a Taiwanese reality survival show focusing on forming a new male idol group. The show started last August and is currently on episode 6. It also invites idols from other nations as mentors, such as DK from the famous K-pop group iKON, who served as a one-day tutor for the contestants and taught them to perform one of their viral hit songs. With all these clues, it's probably safe to say that SB19 will make a special appearance on the reality show as a one-day mentor or tutor for the contestants, teaching them to perform their hit song, Gento. Though there has been no official announcement from the group as of this recording, aside from their Instagram story, it remains uncertain whether it will just be a dance collaboration or if they will actually appear on the show. Either way, it's something to look forward to. Another exciting event to look forward to is SB19's appearance on Taiwan's highest-rated radio station, Hit FM. As highlighted on the radio station's official website, SB19 is scheduled to visit the station on October 3rd at 8 p.m. There is no additional information yet regarding the purpose of their visit. However, SB19 typically makes international radio appearances to promote upcoming concerts or events. Fans can expect a surprise from the boys following this radio appearance, so stay tuned for more updates about this.
Okay guys, dito tayo. Bigyan ko na siya ng kung anong opinion ko regarding that, no? Kung halimbawa man tuloy yun, pero may nakikita tayong parang ano na siya, almost tuloy talaga doon talaga sila kay SB19 na mismo yung nag-post, no? Very fitting po, sobrang qualified po ng SB19 doon, no? Bakit? Bakit siya sobrang qualified? Isa na po doon guys, syempre, alam niyo naman na SB19 kailan sa buong mundo na ngayon guys, no? Although na meron pang hindi nakakilala sa kanila, pero andun sila sa level guys, yung mga idol nyo is parang nakikilala na rin sila, no? Like, alam niyo yun, kung yung ibang tao, hindi kailang SB19, pero yung mga idol nyo, like, sino ba? I'm very sure kailan nilang SB19, no? Dahil sa music na ginagawa nila. Sobrang qualified nila, guys, kasi hindi sila local ano lang eh. Hindi sila local artist, local group, no? Talagang international po sila. Hindi ko nila lang, hindi ko po nila lang yung mga local artist po, guys, hindi ko nila lang. Sorry for the word, no? Pero syempre ibang level po kasi pag kayo po ay international artist po talaga. Ibang level po yun as in. Okay, sige. Meron diyang mga tao talaga na nag-a-achieve po talaga ng mga ganyang tawag dito, mga ganyang achievement, pero ang SB19 kasi talaga is, alam mo yun, hindi nila ina-expect eh, bigla lang dumadating sa kanila, no? Kumbaga, hinahayaan lang po nila, no? Talagang so, pinapakita lang nila yung yung pagpupursige nila, and then yun, parang reward na po sa kanila, no? And sobrang fitting kasi marami sila ma-share dito, no? Pwede rin, I think ang mga ma-share nila dito is hindi madali. Sa umpisa, okay, sige, nakaka-hype siya as in, pero ang pinakamahirap po talaga dito is kung paano mo siya i-maintain, no? Yung po yung pinaka-challenge dito kung paano mo siya i-maintain, no? So, gustong-gusto ko gustong-gusto ko makita or paano ba? Gustong-gusto ko na mapanood kung paano sabihin ng SB19 or paano i-deliver ng SB19 yung ganong klaseng guys, no? Mga linya. Kasi guys, yung being consistent, sobrang bihira po talaga, no? Meron po kasing iba po talaga na group, no? Hindi ko na siguro i-generalize ko na siguro, no? Merong ibang mga group, K-pop group, P-pop group, or kung anong group, global pop group, na sa umpisa lang po talaga, no? Like, halimbawa pag angat nila, okay, sa umpisa goods, pag tuloy-tuloy nila, medyo mababa na, no? Hindi nila tinutuloy, no? Hindi na po nila tinutuloy. Ibig sabihin lang nun, guys, pag mababa na yung nyo, parang yung meter nyo or something, or yung basta yung fame nyo or kung ano man, no? Ibig sabihin guys, may mali sa ginagawa nyo. Kasi yung tao guys, gusto nila po talaga is yung ayaw nila nung halos yun at yun pa rin narinig nila, no? Tama mo SB19 guys, every song, every music, every choreography is talagang iba bago sa panlasa natin, no? Kasi, no? Kaya ayun, yun ang isa ko nakikita, but sobrang qualified sila na, and syempre dancing ability nila sobrang top notch na po talaga yan guys, no? And then yung yung pagkanta nila guys, sobrang top notch na. And idagdag ko pa rin guys, sila rin po gumagawa ng kanta nila, no? Nakakabilib yun, sila yung gumagawa ng kanta nila. Sobrang bihira lang po yung gumagawa ng mga artist, no? Kaya we are very lucky na may ganung klaseng talent po ang ating mahalima. No? Sobrang swerte po ng mga Pinoy. No? Talagang they are the gem of this country. Let's go, no? Let's go. So, guys, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring na notification bell na rin, guys, para alam nyo pag ako yung nag-release ng bagong video. So, this is Point of Presenting out. Peace.